Hello, I am Diego Fortun. I am the general manager of the hotel. Welcome to Iberostar Vista.
Hello guys, we are at Iberostar Vista, Varadero, and I'm going to show you this beautiful hotel in a second. Come on. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can see more of those great videos. And now I'm going to introduce someone who is going to tell us more about the hotel.
Hello, my name is Joanna. I am the sales assistant of the hotel. We are in the Iberostar Vista, Varadero.
The hotel has 5 beautiful swimming pools. One of them is private for the exclusive use of the prestige guests. And look at this, there is a very entertaining water park for the kids. So I see the swimming pools are very nice, but I wanted to ask you, do you guys have a swim out rooms?
Yes, we do. We have 17 swim out rooms. That rooms belong to the Star Prestige area.
Okay, that is to the adults only, right?
Yes, more than 18.
Amazing. And after the swimming pools, we are going to see the a la carte restaurants and the buffet. Come on.
Guys, we are going to show you the Japanese restaurant.
Yoo-hoo! And where are we going now?
We're going to the Cuban restaurant.
And the last restaurant on the roll is...
Italian restaurant.
Yay! The buffet is very modern, very well organized. The outdoor area is actually very nice for people who like sitting outside. The food has lots of variety. The cooks are very experienced.
This is the 24 hours snack bar for sandwich, pizza, pasta.
All this good stuff. We're at the top floor of the hotel and currently at the very special restaurant.
You won't forget the Bella Vista just because this view and this terrace. It is located on 11th floor of the hotel, and this terrace is for the client Star Prestige only. Okay, this terrace, this bar, and this restaurant.
Now we are going to the best place for us, and that is
The beach! The theater, it is open from 9:30 to 11 p.m.
And also we have a gym.
The gym, it is open for all the clients from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m.
And then we have the wellness center.
It is open every day from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.
And all these places are very amazing. Now let me show you our suite. This hotel manufactures its own water, and to save the nature, they are actually using glass bottles. And these bottles are delivered to each room, 2 of them, one in the fridge, one is here, and it's been recharged every day. So guys, don't forget, saving the nature is a very important thing. No more plastic. At a very beautiful suite, and I wanted to know more about all of other types of rooms that you have. Can you please tell us more?
Okay, we have 827 rooms. We have many categories. We have the family section and the adults only, the Star Prestige, is for adults more than 18 years old. The Star Prestige are the room located 9 and 10 floor and the swim out rooms. In this moment, we are in the suite, at the highest level in the hotel.
And that is a very beautiful one. Thank you so much for explaining everything to us and showing us around. And now guys, what you should do, just come to the hotel and enjoy. We showed you the best. We showed you this beautiful hotel, Iberostar Bella Vista. I hope that you liked the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can watch more videos. And also don't forget, come to the hotel. It's really nice. I would definitely recommend it. Bye from me, Daisy.